Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a live subscriber count to OBS Studio, so you can display your YouTube subscribers in real time during your streams or recordings. This is a fantastic way to boost engagement with your viewers and keep an eye on your channel's growth as it happens. By the end of this video, you'll have your own live subscriber count ready and running in OBS, and I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. So, let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your YouTube Studio. This is basically your creator's dashboard and where you find all your channel's stats. If you're not sure how to get there, just log into YouTube, click on your profile icon up in the top right, and select YouTube Studio from the menu. Easy enough, but don't rush. Give it a second for everything to load. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, you're looking for your analytics. On the left-hand sidebar, there's an option labeled Analytics. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page filled with data about your channel's performance. What we want here is the live subscriber count specifically. Sometimes, depending on YouTube's layout updates, you might see it front and center right away, or you may need to hit Go to Channel Analytics for a deeper dive. Take a moment to scan the page. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming. We're only focusing on the live count for now. When you find the live subscriber number, you'll also notice there's a URL linked to that specific live count page. Go ahead and copy that URL. You can just right-click on the address bar up top and select Copy, or use the trusty old Control+C shortcut if that's your style. This link is what's going to connect OBS to your real-time subscriber data, so don't skip this step. Alright, next, let's jump over to OBS Studio. If you don't have it open yet, launch it now. OBS is the backbone of so many great live streams and recordings, and adding browser-based elements like this is one of its coolest features. In the Sources pane at the bottom, click the plus sign. This lets you add all sorts of visual elements to your scene. From the menu, choose Browser. This tells OBS you want to pull in content directly from a web page. Hit OK on the pop-up to start configuring it. Now, you'll see a field for the URL. This is where you paste the link you copied earlier from YouTube. Carefully erase any placeholder link and drop your live count URL into the box. It's easy to overlook this part, so double-check that the address is correct. Once you've pasted it, OBS will fetch your subscriber count window directly from YouTube. Feel free to fiddle with the width, height, and other settings to get the display just how you like it. Want it larger so everyone can see, or tucked into the corner as a subtle touch? The choice is yours. Take your time. Adjusting the window size is just a matter of trial and error, and you can always come back later if it doesn't look perfect right away. Now, hit OK to add it to your scene. But before your live count will show up properly, you need to sign into your Google account within OBS, so it can actually access your channel's stats. To do this, right-click your new browser source and select Interact. This opens up a little live browser window right inside OBS itself. You'll see the familiar Google sign-in prompt. Just enter your details as usual. Don't worry if things look a bit squished. It's normal, and you only need to sign in once. Once you're signed in, OBS will instantly update with your live subscriber count. And just like that, you can see your subscribers ticking up or down in real time, right on your stream or recording. It's a great motivator and also a fun way to get your viewers involved. Maybe you run a quick subscriber push live. Whatever your style, it's a fantastic addition. If you had any hiccups along the way, don't stress. Sometimes OBS or YouTube layouts change, so just take a breath and check the steps again. That's all there is to it. Your channel's live subscriber count is now front and center in OBS Studio. If you found this helpful, drop a like below. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using your live count, leave me a comment. I always check and try to answer everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.